Since its introduction, the Federal Research and Development Tax Credit has saved companies billions of dollars. Many states also have R&D tax credits that follow the same guidelines, so the combined effect of these credits provide clients significant savings that can be dropped to the bottom line to increase profitability or used to fund innovation. Ironically, many companies fail to take full advantage of these valuable credits, so it's our job to help our clients identify if they qualify. As the Southeast's largest in-house R&D tax credit practice, we help clients fully understand and benefit from the opportunities provided by state and federal R&D tax credits. And in 2016 alone, we helped clients save over $33 million using R&D tax credits. So who are our ideal clients? Companies in the following industries are prime candidates for R&D tax credits: manufacturing, engineering and architecture, medical devices, software, breweries, pharma companies, game developers, aerospace, technology, and agriculture. Companies of all sizes can benefit from these credits, but recent changes in the law now provide enhanced benefits for small businesses, startups, and companies with flow-through tax structures such as S-corps. So here's how to identify a potential opportunity. Actually, any company that designs, develops, or improves products, processes, techniques, formulas, or software may be eligible to take advantage of R&D tax credits. Here are some qualifying questions to ask. If you are working with a manufacturing company that has recently implemented a new ERP solution, ask them, what process improvements did you make before and during the implementation? Because that's an opportunity. Another good question to ask is, what innovations are you working on? If they are developing or prototyping new product concepts, that's an opportunity. You could also ask, what types of changes other than routine maintenance have you been making to your legacy systems or software solutions? If they have made significant changes, that's an opportunity.